I just spent the last 7 hours writing the most ridiculous piece of music. Look at this. What is this? My computer literally broke 3 times trying to make this. I'm a composer, I write music for games and animation, and so when the Mario movie was released, I'm like, I have to do something to celebrate this. I put a lot of work in this. I really hope you'll stick around and listen. It would mean a lot to me. This is the finished result. It's a 2-minute epic trailer-style version of the Mario theme. And no, I didn't listen to any of the trailer music for the actual Mario movie. The trickiest part of this kind of music is that you're already working with existing themes, and the Mario theme's iconic. So what do you do with it to make it sound different? First thing I did was take the theme and fragment it as much as I could. So you have the original theme, but within there you actually have some things you can separate out. This little, which could be the great ending for a trailer. Now, because everybody knows this theme, it's really tough to change it without it becoming kind of weird. At the same time, you also want to give little aha moments to the audience when they recognize something that they know. So right before the piece really kicks off, I transform this into this. Now, I wanted this music to feel expansive and adventurous, like Mario is riding Yoshi on like an open field. So I did this 6/8 pattern with these guitar strumming, makes it sound folky. Now, underlaying this whole thing, I've got some really epic percussion that I wanted to kind of drive the trailer forward. And we've also got some synths and some chugging strings to really help the momentum. There's a ton more I could talk about here, but I'm just gonna play the music because you've been patient and waited. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the piece. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can leave a like and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, you can join me on Patreon, where I have the uncut footage of me composing this monstrosity. And that's it. I'm going to bed.